slogans and pictures that we made for Environment Day. So before we do that, we're going to tell you how to protect the environment. 1, don't waste water. And 2, don't cut down trees. 3, don't throw litter on the floor. Outside the roads. 4, grow more trees. 5, wash your hands. And final, help each other. That's the last one. Actually, there's one more, isn't there? Yes. Don't kill animals. Here are our fishes. We have 2 black and 2 white. And here are our pictures with slogans. Get it? Slogans. So, first, Earth is the, if you could take and pick one out. Earth is the only planet where life exists. Save Earth. So do not trash or anything. Okay. Save trees so we can have oxygen to breathe. So don't cut trees and grow more trees. So we could so there will be animals to have some living space and birds could.
So sad they cut it down this tree. The tree must be crying.
Okay, yours. Okay. Save water, save future. Whenever you're not using the water, turn off the taps. We colored this earth color. Keep it out. So, trashing earth is trashing us. So don't litter on the roads. And if you want, just throw your trash in trash cans or recycle them. We'll throw papers, plastic, and cans in recycling. We could use them again. And don't throw plastic in the water. It'll harden the animals. Okay. Defeat virus or you get virus. So we gotta wash our hands, be hygienic, stay home, wear a mask, and eat healthy food. So Earth is wearing a real mask here. So, get to the bottom. Save Earth, save life. The end. So we decided to make this as a book, a slogan book. So, staple it. Yeah, I'm just going to staple it. Okay, finished. So, we kept the stapler here and now turn it into a book. Yeah. Going to show each and every paper. So let's read it one more time. Yeah, sure. Earth is the only planet where life exists. Save Earth. Yes, we have to save Earth. Yours. Save trees so we can have oxygen to breathe. Yeah. Save water, save future. Trashing Earth is trashing us. Defeat virus or you'll get the virus. I added some humans then. Save Earth. Save life. The end. So hope you like our book, and if you want to try some slogans with other things or with Earth, you could do this for World Environment Day or for anything you like. So please try the book. Okay. And write some slogans. Never gets fun. Never gets old. So, hope you like our video. Please like, grow more trees before. Like, share, subscribe. The sisters are flying up to the end of the video.